Hello YouTube world.
Hi guys.
Hello guys.
Welcome back to our channel. My name.
Yo.
Okay. My name is Esther and
I am Daudu.
okay, he's Daudu. So we are Daudu and
Esther. So you guys, isn't she beautiful today? Like she's looking extra beautiful. Looking super sweet.
Thanks, Dan.
Okay, guys.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for your likes. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for commenting. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button somewhere here or here. So please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share our videos. So today
we will be doing fun facts about us.
yeah,
We
fun
want to
fact about us.
tell you guys some fun facts about us. I think it's funny facts about us. Very funny, and not really serious, but some funny facts about us, and we hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So let's begin.
Okay.
Who's going first?
And you should go first. Ladies first.
Okay, ladies first. Alright guys, so number one fun fact about us is, can you guess? Okay, our birthday month is the same month.
Yeah. So our birthday month is kind of the same month.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of strange. Yeah. She's May 3rd, I'm May 16th. Which is strange.
Same month.
Yeah.
Our birthday month is May.
And there's a strange thing about this month, because aside from it being just our birthday month, we also have many other things to celebrate
In the month of May.
So it's kind of strange. I don't know why it's May. I remember when we not first met, but when I saw her, I met her on one of those days on her birthday, and I just saw her before we started dating. I just asked, "Oh, what's up? How are you today?" And we were like, "Oh, today's my birthday." I said, "Oh, really?" So we're born in the same month. Oh, that's nice. So it was really surprising to know she's both my birthday mate.
Yeah, so that's one. So you said the second fun fact.
Okay, so the second fun fact is still related to our month, and also it was also the day I asked her out, like we started dating.
Yeah,
we started dating in
the
May.
month of May. So birthday
So May 18.
May.
I think May 18.
Yeah, May
so
18th.
I asked her out May 18th. So we started dating May 18th. So it's kind of strange. May 3rd is her birthday.
May
16th my
your birthday.
Then May 18th.
Anniversary.
Why is this strange? To be said, we didn't plan it. I didn't plan it like that way. It just happened. It just happened. So next point.
Next one, we are both from the same state.
Yeah, we are both from the same state in Nigeria.
Yeah.
That's also strange. Really?
Actually, we didn't know about that
until
we became friends and we started talking. And I was like, "Oh, what state are you from?" And he's like,
I'm from Edo State.
Edo State. I'm like, "Oh my god, I'm also from Edo State." And he's like, "Wow, are you serious?" Yeah.
Really?
So that's it. We're from the same state.
Really? Is that not strange? I think we aren't supposed to call it fun fact. I think we should call it strange facts about us. Because it's strange.
It's fun. It's fun fact about us. We're both from the same state.
For me, okay.
Okay.
So next point is we actually both like traveling.
Yeah.
We both like visiting new places. We like exploring.
Yeah,
She
we
also
like
likes
exploring.
exploring, taking pictures. I also like taking pictures and exploring. So we
Yeah.
go like that. So that's another cool fun fact about us.
We love traveling, we love adventures, we love meeting people, we love visiting new places and trying new things, and we will have same in common.
Yeah.
Okay, next, this is one interesting fact about us, and that is
We both like cooking.
we both like cooking. Like, that's really funny because it's unlike guys to cook and kind of want to go into the kitchen to do stuff, but he loves cooking like so much. He loves cooking.
And it gets more interesting when you see a guy and a girl, like partners, fighting on
Who is going to cook?
That's where it gets most interesting. Like we end up fighting like this week I'm cooking. Like don't tell me I'm cooking this week. And she's like, no, I'm meant to cook for. I'm like, no, I want to try my like new. I just saw this new delicacy online and I want to try it.
Exactly, I want to try something new. So it's
So
always
most weekends
fun.
I do the cooking, and during the weekdays she does.
Yeah,
We both like cooking.
we both love
We
cooking.
love it.
What else?
Another fun fact is it's kind of strange. We both went to the same university.
That's true.
Yeah.
We both went to the same university, and that's Redeemers University. Shout out to all Ron students out there.
Shout out guys. So we both went to the same university.
Yeah.
And first thing is also with that we actually didn't know we were in the same university. Don't worry guys, we are going to tell
You
you
don't have
guys
to talk
how
about
no,
that
no,
one,
no,
how
no.
we met.
We're going to tell you guys how we met. So it's still something of we still have it in our plans for the future, but we're going to tell you guys how we met. But for now, even when we saw each other, I just thought she was one like girl I met at a particular place, and I didn't know she was related to where I was coming from at that particular time, which is my school. So I was surprised when I got to school and I saw her. I was like, oh,
No, you're
really?
going deep into
going
the
deep.
story.
Don't worry, I'm not going into the story. I know what I'm saying.
Okay.
So I was so surprised when I got to school. I was like, oh really? Okay. So we also
Went
were
to
in
the
the same school,
university.
and we were both in the same department.
Yeah, we're both in the same department. He studied industrial chemistry, and I studied biochemistry. So we're both
still
in the
both
same department.
So it's like as if we're destined for each other.
Aww.
Like, just destined for each other. Okay, so another fun fact is,
We both lived close to each other.
yeah, that was another thing. Like when we were dating, we both lived close to each other, so it was really, really strange. So
Yeah.
then, our house was like about 15 to 20 minutes walk from my house.
From his house. So
So-
we both lived close.
Yeah. So anytime she comes to my place to see me, once she's going home, I walk to her house.
And then he sits a little in my house, and then I walk back to his house.
So we are very.
It was just a very, very funny scenario. So,
So we
lived
walk to
close
our house
each other.
and she walks to her. So that was how close we lived. Like
I can
very, very
remember
close.
then.
very, very close to each other.
And the last point that would blow your mind, I
And
hope
the
it
last
does.
And the most interesting fact about us, which is going to be the biggest of all, drumline running.
Yeah. Is
We both bear, or we both have the
the
same,
same
name.
name. We both have the same name. Like, we both have the same name. That was one thing that was like, really, how come we have the same name? When we started dating, my mom had to kind of, because I be a Blessing. My name is Blessing, and my mom had to change the name.
So it doesn't go contradictory. So she
Yeah.
calls her Blessing.
Blessing girl and
Blessing
calls
boy.
him Blessing boy. I just use Esther in school actually, but at home I use Blessing.
So it's really, it was really. So the day I met her on her birthday, like I said before, we just started talking as friends, and I was like, oh really? So today's your birthday? Wow, that's cool. Then I just asked her, okay, so what state are you from? And she said she's from Edo State. I was like, really?
Same state.
That's same state with me. Okay, that's cool. And that was even before I even said my name. Then I was like, okay, Edo State. So we stated some of our facts that we know we are so close to it, and like I said, I told her, okay, you live close to Edo. I said, that's cool. That's like 3 things. Then next time I said, okay, my name is Blessing. I was like, oh really?
And I was
Your name
like,
is Blessing?
your name is Blessing.
Oh
I was like,
my
my name is
God.
Blessing too.
Her name is Blessing too. So
And that's it.
to be sincere, guys, how it happened, I don't know. We don't know.
So,
We just know it just happened, and
Yeah, so
and most times I just feel personally, I feel like reasons for me why I feel we are both destined for each other. Yeah. Those are like the physical reasons why I feel we're both destined for each other. Because it's very, very, very strange. Why you have the same name,
we're from the same state.
the same
so many
birthday
things
month. You
together.
guys have so many physical things together, and also it's quite strange.
Yeah, guys. So
I think that's all.
That's all for this video. That's the fun fact about us. We hope you guys got to know some things about us from this video. Yeah, we love you guys.
Yeah, don't worry if we have new things that we end up discovering. We'll let
That's true. If we have new things, we end up discovering.
But I think we have another fun fact.
What's that?
We both love each other.
Aww. Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we both love each other, but that's supposed to be natural. So
Okay.
okay, guys. Last one. We both love each other. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video.
Yes,
we love you
sure.
all.
Thank you.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly
Please
subscribe.
do.
Please subscribe. Don't forget to share our videos with your family, with your friends. And please like our videos, comment below. We love you all. Goodbye.
Yes, sure. Goodbye. Thank you.